The root word that I'm going to discuss now is sacred and sanct, which means holy, holy, right? Of course, most of the words based on these roots are related to God, holy, belief, religion, etc. Now, the commonly used word that all of you must be knowing is sacred, right? Sacred itself means holy, a sacred place. For the Hindu, all temples are sacred places. So for religious people, a temple or a mosque, or you can say even a church, is a holy place, is a sacred place. Okay. Now, another word is sacrilege. Okay, sacrilege. This is a word which has a negative connotation, negative tone. Now, something which is a sacrilege is sort of an insult, insult to God, or to insult to holiness, right? So you say something which is very insulting, which shows utter disrespect to God or a holy place. That is sacrilege. A word similar to sacrilege is profanity. Profanity, something profane is sacrilegious, you know. This is a noun, sacrilege is a noun, but if you add ous, it becomes adjective, full of insult. Sacrilegious is profane. Another word similar to sacrilege is blasphemy. Blasphemy or blasphemous. Blasphemy is also an insult. You know that the old story about, of Galileo. Galileo was a great thinker. He had said the earth is round, but the church at the time had believed that the earth is flat. So when Galileo said the earth is round, Galileo's statement was considered blasphemous, sacrilegious. Okay, it was considered. The church said that this is utter insult to their belief, to their holiness, holy belief. Okay, so that is the reference. Now, next word that I would like to discuss from this is consecration. Consecration. Okay, now consecration is worshipping, giving great respects to a particular holy place or holy belief, or to declare something holy, right? You declare a particular place holy. That is consecration. So in short, consecration is worshipping, giving great respect. Now, exactly opposite to this is desecration. Starts with this negative prefix, desecration. So con is also a prefix. Con means with. So with holy and against holy, right? So desecration is opposite to consecration. Desecration is damage, damage to holiness, or insult to holiness. So in a way, desecration is somewhat similar to sacrilege. Okay. Now, the next word that I'm going to discuss from this sanct, and that is sanctimony. Okay. Sanctimonious, sanctimonious, full of holy. Now, sanctimonious is, though it plainly means full of holy, but it is often used to describe those people who have this sanctimonious attitude. Now, what is sanctimonious attitude? It is, you consider yourself more honest than others. You consider yourself holier than others, right? You think that I could not make money because in my life I was moral, I was honest. The other people who could make money, more money than me, were actually not that honest. So in a way you suggest that आप दूसरों से ज़्यादा honest हो. So this kind of attitude of holy ego, attitude of moral ego, that particular attitude is described with this word sanctimonious. It can be also called holier than thou. Thou means you. So मैं आपसे ज़्यादा holy हूँ, मैं आपसे ज़्यादा honest to, holier than thou. This attitude is sanctimonious attitude. Another word is sacrosanct. Sacrosanct. Sacrosanct is in fact combination of sacred and sanct, right? Sacrosanct means it itself means holy. So this is similar to sacred. Similar to sacred. Okay. Even the word simple word sacrifice is also based on this sacred. I will not write it down because that word you must be knowing already.